this demonstration, we're going to take a look at some of the new features available for managing groups within the Sage SalesLogix version 8 web client. We've logged into SalesLogix today, we've gone to the accounts area, and I've selected the list view. As you can see across the top, there are a number of tabs that represent some of the groups that have been built within the system. And if I right-click after hovering my mouse over the Customers tab, a drop-down menu will appear. One of the new features is the ability to set this as the default. What that means is anytime I log out of SalesLogix and come back in and then select Accounts, it's always going to come back to the Customers tab as the active tab. Another feature you'll see here is the revert layout. So if I've made changes to the layout of these columns of data or the sort or hidden some of these fields from this view, that actually remains sticky and is stored locally on my machine. Again, so that if I come back into SalesLogix later and come into this particular group, it's going to remember exactly how I had the layout and the organization of this tab set up. If I do go back to revert the layout, it's going to forget all the custom changes I had made and go back to the out-of-the-box layout for that particular tab. The next thing we'll show you regarding groups is the new groups management feature over on the upper right corner. One thing you'll notice is there's now a find feature. We find that a lot of companies have many groups, and this list can grow pretty large, and it can be really tricky to find things sometimes. So they've made it easy by giving you a search feature. And so if you type in characters, let's just put in, for example, an S, and click on the search icon, it's now going to return only groups that have a letter S in them. We'll try that again with, for example, the letter D. And now you can see I got a pretty small list because these are the only ones that have the letter D in the name of that group. You can also toggle between show hidden groups or not. And if you hit the clear button, it removes that filter and it's going to show me my whole list of groups again. So that's a demonstration of some of the new groups functions and features built into the Sage SalesLogix version 8 web client. Thanks for watching.